Hello everyone, Namaste. How are you all? It's been a quite long time that I made a long video. I thought let me connect with you guys again and wish you all a very happy Diwali and festive season ahead. Those who don't know about Diwali, currently we are enjoying the festival of light in India called Diwali, and during this festival there is one particular day which is called Dhanteras, where we go and buy gold, silver to bring good luck in our lives. So this Dhanteras, I decided to buy something from Tiffany and Cartier. Yay! So I didn't do the conventional way to go to local jewelers and buy something nice for the value which I get, like much more gold in such price, but I prefer going to Tiffany and Cartier, where I'll be getting the kind of jewelry I prefer to wear. So both are gold jewelries, and yeah, I'm here to do the unboxing the way I always do. I love doing unboxing and I love sharing my joy with my YouTube family. My channel is all about unboxing and shopping. So let's go and let's do the unboxing. This Dhanteras I bought two earrings, one from Tiffany and one from Cartier. So which unboxing should I do first? So let's go and do Tiffany unboxing first. So let's open the blue box first. So this is the invoice which they will give you along with your jewelry piece, and there you go. So this is the fresh unboxing. I have not opened it yet, so I'll be sharing this joy with my YouTube family completely. So there you go. Let's do the unboxing. Wow. So it says Tiffanyandco in the box, and let me go and see. Wow. The box is very pretty, and from here I think you have to open it. Wow. Ta-da! Can you see what I got? So these are called, so I think this will go this way. So these are called double link hardware earrings from Tiffany. So this is in rose gold, you guys. So this is their very popular and identical and very famous design. Anyone can recognize that this is Tiffany. So I chose the one which is like very latest design, and the hardware collection, right, you guys? So this is one of their hardware collection. In the link earrings, it comes in 3 different sizes, and this is the new one with the elongated link. So let me show you all. Let me open it. So this has a regular page, okay? So I'll show you guys from the close. So this is how the earring looks, and let me wear it and show it to you all. So let me wear it. Please let me know in the comment how you guys liking my earrings. So it has a regular page, the normal one, the one which we always get with our artificial jewelry, also the regular page. So there you go. And in hardware collection, right, it has chain and earrings and everything. So this is the not very latest. I think this elongated one they launched in 2020. Okay, so yeah, and I really like this earring because it is giving me very glamorous look, and it is a little different from the one which I got from Cartier. So there you go. So yeah, this is the earring I got from Tiffany, which looks very good, and I'll write in the description box about this earring. I think when you'll go to the website, you'll see this. This is very popular hardware double link earrings. The smaller one, the regular link one, is very common and popular, and this is a little new but very glamorous. I thought if I'm buying something different from Cartier, and this earring is different from what I bought from Cartier, so I'll be having two variation in my earring collection. So this is the one from Tiffany. I love this, and this is in rose gold, very lightweight to wear. And yeah, so let's go and do the second unboxing. This is the Cartier, and wow, so as you all know, the Cartier packing is so good, this Cartier packing. So let me see what all they have given me. So this is something, while my essay, she always assists me whenever I'm in Cartier. She has some beautiful Diwali message for me, so they are very sweet. I was invited in their Diwali party as well, so I attended the Diwali party, and after the Diwali party, I went and bought these earrings from Cartier, and there they have the certificate of authentication here. And they have given me a extra pouch, okay, to keep my earrings. So, and yeah, invoice is there. This is the invoice, how much I paid and everything. Okay, let's not waste our time. And wow, these are pretty, right? They're so gorgeous. So the one which I got, these are different, like I'll be having two different variety. Okay, let's first unbox. So wow, so let's do the unboxing. I don't want to tear this beautiful packet, although I have to do it. So let me do it nicely. I love Cartier, by the way. I'm a Cartier girl. I want to own every jewelry pieces they make. I love Cartier. So okay, let me bring the box nicely. Wow, so this is the red box, you guys. It says Cartier. Okay, so there's a surprise. See, it has a personalized box. They have my name written on it. So this facility you get occasionally in Diwali or in Valentine. So I was lucky to have this one, and they asked me to get all my boxes. They will do this personalization in all my boxes. But yeah, so let's go and unbox. Wow, so these are the earrings I got from Cartier, and these are from their very famous Clash collection. I am in love with the Cartier Clash collection, you guys. And so let me start to have the collection with the earrings. So these are the earrings in gold, and normally the Clash comes in rose gold, and this is in gold. And here you can see, you can have a close look. The page here is not the regular one. You have to just push it and then pull the page. And so the system is little different than what this page is. So this is the earring. Oh my god, I absolutely love this earring. So let me wear it and show it to you all. So how does this look? Do let me know in the comment which one you like the more, because one is hoop and one is very glamorous elongated earrings. So I chose both of them very carefully. Okay, and this is new, right? So that's why it's a little tight, but with time it will become smooth. So let me wear it and show. It makes some noise also, because the design of Clash is so unique, you guys. The design of Clash is so unique. And the page, this is a very different kind of page. you have to, there are two marks up and down, and then you have to press it, and then you have to put it like this. All right, and let me wear the other one. So the Tiffany one is rose gold and this one is yellow gold. And yeah, do let me know in the comment which one you like the most. And let me also tell you guys that the Clash collection is my favorite, current favorite, and I want to have everything from Clash, their bracelet, necklaces. And do also let me know in the comment what you guys think about this Clash collection. So if you want to have a closer look of the earring, so let me show you guys how does it look. Oh my god, I'm loving these kind of unboxing, I know. So let me wear it. Okay, there you go. Okay, voila. So these are my Cartier earrings. So now I have variety. If I picked two earrings, one is, these two are completely different from one another. And yeah, this was my unboxing, you guys. I always prefer to share my joy with my YouTube family, which I just did. And thanks for watching. And if you have any question for me, feel free to write down in a comment and just leave a heart for me. Thanks for watching, and hopefully more unboxing will come very soon. And take care, you guys. I love you all. Bye.